we're going to attempt to do this problem, and honestly this problem really looks disgusting. So we have a 64 to the x over 4 to the 5x minus 1, and they want to know what is f of x, where we have it written as 4 to the f of x. So really what they're asking for is what is the exponent if the base is a 4. So let's start by just getting everything to have a base of 4. Notice we're good there. We have the 4 and the 4. But what about this 64? So what I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to rewrite that 64 as 4 to the third power. Think about that. What is 4 to the third power? Well, 4 to the third power is 64. Now, what we have here instead, though, is 64 to the x. So think about this. 64 to the x would be 4 to the third to the x. In other words, 4 to the 3x. So let's go ahead and replace that. So we'll have 4 to the 3x over 4 to the 5x minus 1. Now, what do? We just want to know what the exponent is, right? So now we have the bases matched up. They are a 4. We're good to go. So we're going to go ahead and just subtract the exponent. So I'm going to take that 3x and that 5x minus 1. I'm going to subtract them. So that's going to be 4 to the 3x minus that entire exponent on the bottom. So you got to make sure you use those parentheses. So that's 4 to the 3x minus 5x plus 1, which is 4 to the negative 2x plus 1.